In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly scan and activate a QR code from your emails using both your smartphone and computer. Whether you're trying to quickly access a web page, retrieve contact information, or perform any action linked to a QR code, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's kick things off with how to manage this task effectively using your mobile device. First, open your Yahoo Mail app on your phone and navigate to the email that contains the QR code you're interested in. This is your starting point. You want to make sure that the QR code is displayed clearly on your screen, as the next step involves using your phone's camera to scan it. Now, let's get your camera involved. Activate your camera as if you were going to take a photo. Bring your phone up to the QR code and carefully position your camera so that it centers the QR code in the display. Your phone should automatically detect the QR code and trigger a notification at the top of your screen. Once this notification pops up, tap on it. This will lead you directly to the associated link or action that the QR code is designed to perform, whether it's opening a web link, downloading a file, or something else. And that's how you can easily manage QR code scanning on your phone. Next, let's switch gears and explore how you can achieve the same result on a computer using Yahoo Mail in a web browser. Start by accessing your email account from a desktop browser. Find the specific email that contains the QR code you're looking to scan. As you open the email, locate the QR code image. With the QR code in view, position your cursor over the image and right-click on it. You should see a context menu appear. From this menu, look for an option such as Search Image with Google or a similar command. Clicking on this will open a new window or tab in your browser, allowing you to either search for information regarding the code or perform the action linked to it directly. The options you see might vary depending on your browser or extensions, but the general approach remains consistent. With these methods in your toolkit, you can navigate QR codes from any email, whether you're browsing on the go with your phone or working from your computer. It's all about convenience, and these steps ensure you're well equipped to handle QR code scanning with ease and confidence. Mastering this simple yet effective technique can significantly streamline the way you interact with digital information. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.